Alright, welcome to a drawing lesson with John Jeffrey Designs. Alright, let's get ready to draw some carrots here. First we're going to draw a straight line across the top here. And just go ahead and put a mark wherever you think the center of that line is. Now draw a dotted line straight down from the center. And put another dot. Now let's connect the sides of our straight line down to that dot. There's one side. And there's the other. Good, those are looking pretty straight. I'm going to go ahead and make those a little darker one more time around here. And across the top. Okay, let's try that again. Go ahead and draw a straight line. Mark the center wherever you think that is. And this time just imagine where the center is and make another dot. Draw the sides of the triangle straight down to that dot. Nice straight lines. Okay, one more time. We're going to draw the flat line. This time just imagine where the center is and imagine where you're going to draw that. Make the sides coming down. Nice straight triangle. That looks pretty good. Make these a little darker here. Okay. Nicely done. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and draw the little bushy part on top of the carrot. The flowering green part. So I'm going to draw two little lines on each side of the center. There's one and two here. Let's do it again. There's the center. Let's draw one on that side and one on that side. Great. Okay, let's do that again one more time. Two little lines right near the middle. There's one and two. Okay, now we're going to give these carrots a little crown. We're going to use straight lines up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice straight lines just like that. Just coming up and coming down with the pen. Okay, let's see if we can keep it right on top there, right in the middle. Here we go. Up and down. Great. Good crown on that one. These are going to be the green parts of the carrot. These are going to look great. Okay, those are looking really good. Next on the carrot, we're going to start adding some straight lines. These are what gives a carrot kind of its wrinkly looking exterior. And just kind of draw straight lines wherever you feel like doing it. Just kind of have fun with this part and put them wherever you'd like. Okay. That looks like enough. Okay, let's try that again. Just lots of little straight lines. Some of them are going to go all the way across. Some won't. Just have fun. Lots of different kinds of lines. Some touching the sides, some not. Some, maybe even just some little dots in there. Okay, coming all the way down. That looks great. I got some longer lines up on the top, I think. Yeah, up there. Okay, let's try to add a curved top this time. Go ahead and draw a curve at the top instead of a flat line. Look for the center of that line and draw a little line there. Let's make our dotted line all the way down. Put a dot and let's connect that curved line to the bottom. There's one side and there's the other. Okay, let's try that again. Curved line on top. Mark the center. Come down. Mark the bottom. And then connect the top and the bottom. Fantastic. Okay, one more time. Rounded top. Just imagine where the center would be and imagine where the bottom would be this time. Try not to draw those lines. And come down. Okay, cool. Looks great. Okay, let's put some lines in there. Remember, just have fun with this part, wherever they want to go. There you go. That time I started at the bottom. That's kind of a fun challenge. Okay. Alright, one more time. putting longer lines on the top and some shorter lines as it goes further down. And just a couple dots and finish it. Okay, great stuff. All right, let's go ahead and put the bushy crowns on the top. 2 little lines so I know where to start and stop. And then we'll make our jagged lines right across the top there. And last one. Awesome. Those are some good looking carrots. Great job.